Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today meron tayong bagong product na meron binigay na bagong product si Hero Paint sa atin for unboxing and review. Yan. So these are the new Hero Air Shimmer Metallics water-based airbrush paint. So we have Air Lava Orange. Nga pala, thank you very much Hero Paints for always sponsoring our projects. Thank you very much. Ito, they are very generous in giving us samples ng mga products nila for unboxing and review para magamit din natin sa mga customization projects na gagawin natin in the future. Alright, first we have Air Sunset Copper, Air Lava Orange, Air Gloss Black Primer, Air Rally Red, Air Sunburst Gold, Air Cosmic Blue, Air Highland Green, Air Gloss White Primer, Air Legendary Lime, Air Mystic Magenta, Air Deep Amethyst, and Air Synergy Green. Yan. So ito yung mga nagawa kong color samples, color swatches. Air Gloss Black, Air Gloss White Primer, Air Cosmic Blue, Air Deep Amethyst, Air Rally Red, Air Mystic Magenta, Air Sunset Copper, Air Synergy Green, Air Highland Green, Air Legendary Lime, and Air Sunset Gold, and Lava Orange. Yan. Kung gusto niyo bumili nito mga ma'am sir, nasa Shopee lang to mga ma'am sir. Punta kayo sa Shopee and type in Hero Paints, Hiro Paints. Tapos makikita niyo yung product listing na Hero Air 30 ml na mga paint bottles. Shimmer Metallics water-based airbrush paint. Okay, so ito yung demo nila. Yan. Thank you very much, Sir Harvey of Hero Paints for sending these for testing and review. Ganda ng blue. Okay. Basahin lang natin yung description nila. What are Hero Air Shimmer Metallics? There are airbrush-ready metallic paints with a glossy, sparkly sheen. Unlike the metallics from the main Hero line, they have larger, mica-like premium pigments that create a 3D shimmering effect on the surface. Yan. So pag nag-airbrush kayo using these paints, meron siyang mga larger mica-like premium pigments that create a 3D shimmering effect. Okay? Paint preparation, you should shake the bottle very well before use until fully mixed. Kasi may mga nagsisettle na pintura katulad nito. Yan, kailangan yung nagsisettle kasi yung pigment dito sa ilalim. So shake nyo lang muna and then ready na yan.